arbitrationagreements.org. An arbitration hearing is like a private court proceeding where both parties present their case to an independent third party called the arbitrator. Interestingly, as of 2023, there has been a 22% increase in commercial arbitration cases compared to just 5 years ago. Now, before we go into detail about what arbitration hearings are often based on, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Arbitration is not only for commercial cases. A vast variety of issues are subject to arbitration, from labor disputes to intellectual property. In 2022 alone, American Arbitration Associations administered an estimated 500,000 cases. The arbitral process begins when both parties agree to resolve their dispute through arbitration. This agreement is often found in pre-existing contracts, such as employment contracts or consumer agreements. After the arbitration agreement is in place, each party selects an arbitrator. In some cases, a panel of 3 arbitrators is used. Now, during the arbitration hearing, each party has the chance to present evidence, call witnesses, and cross-examine the other party's witnesses. And unlike court trials, arbitration proceedings are confidential. According to a 2022 poll, 97% of respondents cited confidentiality as one of the most valuable advantages of arbitration. It's one of the reasons why many companies prefer arbitration to court litigation. Another significant advantage is the finality of arbitration awards. They're typically binding and very difficult to appeal. That's a fact that's supported by statistics. As per a 2021 survey, almost 90% of all arbitration decisions were upheld in court, indicating the authority and respect given to the arbitration process. Without question, arbitration indeed provides an effective, confidential, and relatively speedy means to resolve disputes. Do you need more information about the basics of arbitration hearings? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can also buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Remember, countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. In fact, successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You are paying for one service per case, instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? What do you believe is its biggest advantage? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.